Do you want to make the video like this? Open your video in Capcut. Put it on timeline. Select the part of the video that you want to text behind the person. So I select the part around 9 seconds. And then go to text option. And extend it on full video. Write the some text in it. So I write the text like tutorial. After doing this, export this video. Then again, add the video that exported with text. Add it on timeline. Go to the cutout option that removes the background of the video that is without text. So after this, change the video's lines. Now you see our text behind the person showing very well. Thanks for watching.